I'm going to make a vegetable soup. And this vegetable soup is packed with vitamins and easy to make, and it tastes really, really great, yeah? And you see there's no fancy ingredients here. All I have is all seasonal ingredients, like I have here some broadbeans, fresh from the garden. And then I've got carrot. I've got the potato, leeks or onion leeks as we call it. We've got celery there. Of course, I've got some chicken breast here, which I sliced it thinly into strips. And I've got onions and ginger. And I've got here my I've got here my vegetable broth. Okay, easy making this ahead, and then you can put it in the refrigerator if you're busy, or you can even put it in the freezer. So this time I'm going to use this, like this will be good for about 4 servings, but then I'll save some and put it in the freezer. Okay, so let's start. Alright, and by the way, olive oil, right, so got to put a good amount of olive oil there. Now let's put our onions. Not too brown, but just transparent. Whilst we add our ginger. I like putting on ginger because I'm using chicken, and it takes the chicken flavor better for the ginger. Or if you have some lemongrass, you can add lemongrass. But at the moment I don't have any lemongrass here, so I just use ginger instead. Without the chicken, that is definitely a vegetarian dish. But you have the option, you can either put the chicken or just leave it as just your vegetables, and then we're good to go to be a vegetarian vegetables. In my case, I'm going to make chicken vegetable soup, so I'm going to add the chicken now. And because I'm trying to cook this quickly, I did slice the chicken really thin, so it's easy to cook. I can smell the aroma of the ginger now. It's really nice. The spice and the jumbled spice of the onions as well. Really beautiful. Beautiful. Now then, so as you can see, it's all fried, okay, lightly fried. Next thing, I'm gonna add my carrot, because carrot takes a bit longer. So I'm gonna add the carrot. And then next is the leek, onion leek, and the potatoes. Yeah, to make it a full meal, you can add potatoes, so you have a bit of carbs incorporated into the soup. But if you want to make this as your side dish, you can omit the potatoes. It's all up to you. It depends on your preference, okay? Then I'm gonna add the celery. I'm going to add loads and loads of black pepper. It depends on your taste. If you want it really peppery, then you can add a little bit. Me, for myself, I use about nearly a teaspoon of it, and then a bit of salt. Friends, mix it up, and let's add the soup. The vegetable broth. Simmer. This is what I'm using. Okay, the vegetable broth powder, instant. So it's nice, and it says here gluten free and yeast free. So I only use about a teaspoon of this in that water, about 2 cups of water. Yeah. So any vegetable in season, you can actually use it in your soup. Especially now that summer, you've got plenty. I've got some vegetables in my garden. It's only in the pots, but nice. There's nothing more enjoyable than eating your own produce, and it's really nice and fresh. You can taste the difference. So let's simmer this for about 10 minutes. I'm just a 10-minute person, and after a while I'll put these beans, and that's it, good to go. Let's check. Oh, that looks nice. Right, so after 5 minutes, I'm going to add these beans now. And let it boil for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So as not to get it really overcooked. It's only quick. It should only be like blanch, Potato. Yeah, potatoes are soft now. It's like sweet. Let's try this. Yeah. That's it. 10 minutes is done. Quick and easy. Simple as it is. Another try. Yum. Now, I'm going to add a handful of parsley. This also comes from my own garden. Right. And I'm going to remove it from heat, so to stop it from overcooking. And that's it. Look at that. Right. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have learned a little bit of my cooking again. This is simple, easy, especially for those who are busy mommies or busy ladies out there. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want healthy, quick and simple recipe or simple food which is very, very nutritious, then you can try this. And before you go, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and also click the bell button and so that you can be notified when I have some more videos coming up. And don't forget to share it to your friends as well. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless. Bye.